Evolution is one of those emotional words that stimulates a lot of response on both sides of the political and religious spectrum. Many make no distinction between the theory of evolution and the principle of evolution, and reject out of hand any statement that merely contains the word. What the most conservative fundamentalist believers must realize is that even if Darwin is rejected by them, there is no reason to reject the principle itself. It is totally in line with rational thought that evolution does exist, for it has been demonstrated many times. Let us define the word as it is generally used. The online Oxford Dictionary defines it as follows: the gradual development of something, especially from a simple to a more complex form. No one can deny that there are many things that evolve from the simple to the more complex and efficient. A few centuries ago, written languages had virtually no punctuation. Modern language with the rules of grammar and punctuation is definitely an evolutionary improvement and easier to read. Another example, a computer program is a profound example of evolution moving forward quickly. The first program was very basic, but the latest is supplying us with more features than we will ever master. Civilization itself is a great example of evolution. Since the discovery of fire and the wheel, the human race has evolved in numerous ways in technology and social structure. A modern city or state is certainly more complex and organized than an ancient tribe. Let us look at the principle of evolution. What is the force behind the principle that causes evolution to happen? In other words, what was it that caused a computer program to appear and then to morph from version 1 to version 2 and beyond? It was intelligence. There are two ways of looking at evolution as it has occurred in the manifestation of this universe and life in it. 1. There was no originating purpose or intelligence involved. Creation is something that just happened by chance. If the coin had flipped the other way, nothing would be here. 2. Some type of very high intelligence guided creation through form and matter. Which of these suppositions is the most logical and follows the line of what has been factually observed? First, it is a fact that this universe was created, and the chances of this happening with random luck have been calculated as 1 in 1 with 1,200 zeros behind it. Here is a statement beyond dispute. All evolution that has been observed from beginning to end occurs because of some guiding intelligence. The bottom line is this: the beginning of a computer program does not occur by chance and cannot happen when no intelligence is involved. Our DNA is a giant computer program that we cannot even examine and duplicate or reverse engineer as of yet. To consider that such a complex program could have created itself is an insane use of logic. How could forces with no intelligence create a cell so complex that it cannot be reverse engineered by the highest intelligence on this planet? The fact that there is indeed evolution in all aspects of creation proves that some intelligent mind is at work. We therefore conclude with this statement describing the principle of evolution. The driving principle behind all constructive evolution is intelligence. When intelligence is applied to force or form, the good, the beautiful, and the useful materialize to be intelligently accessed by life in the universe.